Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Thursday and we are on our way to Miami.
It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down.
Good morning, y'all. So today is Friday and I'm headed to my appointment soon. We just packing everything up from the room. It's early in the morning. My appointment is at 9 o'clock and it's about 8:20. So today is the day that I get the temporary teeth. I told y'all before, the temporary teeth will not look anything like the permanent teeth. In fact, I don't think that they're gonna be that cute. So don't expect for the temporary teeth to look good because I don't think that they will. I'm a little nervous about it. I don't know how long this process is gonna take. But this is the last appointment before I get my permanents. So I'm headed there. Y'all know I'll show you guys how everything looks when I come from the dentist. I don't know if I'm gonna do it while I'm in the car or once I get home. So we getting on the road as soon as we leave the appointment.
I don't know, it depends on what time. I mean, we might go somewhere, eat, or we might leave depending on how you feel.
Yeah. So y'all know I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna see it eventually. So, but I probably won't do it in the car. Most likely, I'll probably just wait until I get home. So we'll see. That place we went to last night, we went to Tap 42. It was really cool. We didn't have any food. We just had some cocktails. We went to some ale house for like some wings, and Tony wanted a burger. I ended up getting some salmon, which was really good. And we shared some wings, yeah, and we shared some fried shrimp. We didn't really like the fried shrimp, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm so nervous if y'all can't tell.
What's up, y'all?
All right, y'all. I'm nervous, but we got to get this done. So I'll see y'all in a few. Good morning. I am home safe and sound. We got home last night and I was so tired, y'all. I went to sleep probably like 9 o'clock last night. I did get my temporaries. They look the same. They're not cute. Like, trust me, they're not cute. But I got my temporaries. They did shave the front 4 teeth down because, you know, I have to get the gap closed. So, you know, they have to have whatever. So they shaved the first 4. So, right now I'm getting ready to go to the gym And then when I come home, I'm gonna do a little juicing. I really need to go get some more vegetables, but I need to use what's in there. So I'm gonna do a little juicing, and then I'm gonna start decluttering my clothes. I did see a few people, which they were obviously new, that said I needed to donate some of the stuff to the shelter. I do donate to the shelter all the time, and I actually never really throw anything away. I always give it to somebody. So or unless it's expired product. So I gave my son's girlfriend Erin a lot of stuff. So I think she said she was gonna do a haul. So y'all look out for that video and make sure to subscribe to their channel. They're just getting started. She's really shy. So y'all go over there and give her some encouragement. She is so shy. I'm trying to break out of her shell, but she'll get there. So y'all make sure to go show her some love. But yeah, I'll be doing some decluttering with the clothes today. And like I said, doing some juicing. But we're going to do a lot of content around my new juicer because I love it. And I have some juicing recipes that I plan on doing. I want to do some beet juice, of course. Y'all know I love beet juice. And so, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Me and the hubby are going to the gym right now, so I'll see you guys in a few. I love this thing. If you guys juice, this one is perfect because it's small and it can fit right up under my cabinet. I told you guys that the last time. And what I usually do is just wash it, make sure it's nice and dry, and then I put it up under the cabinet just like this so I can just pull it out and it's ready to use. So yeah, I love this thing. So I just have like some random vegetables. Y'all know I usually do my juicing in my blender. That's how I would do it before, and just put it in a milk bag to drain it. Okay, so I have some pineapples, I have some cucumbers, celery, and then I'm gonna add spinach. So I'm gonna do this and let you guys see it. The filter that I have inside, it's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this little thing right here. And that's the no pulp filter. This one right here is lots of pulp. So it comes with 3 lots of pulp. And this one is some pulp. And then the other one, like I said, it's really small. So when you buy your machine, it'll already have one attached. And then they'll have 2 loose ones. I think they had like the some pulp. Let me just try to show y'all how it would look. Okay, there we go. The some pulp. So it's like that. So yeah, so the only thing that you have to do is just slice your vegetables up. If it's something that's big, like a cucumber, I just slice mine like this. So that way it could fit in this hole. But the hole is pretty big. So I love this thing. I did it yesterday. Y'all know I do green juices. I do my ginger shots. So I'm just going to look up a few recipes because y'all know I love to juice. And y'all know that my favorite juice currently is my beet juice, which is, let me pull it out. Is this one right here, my Suja beet juices. So it says it's apples, carrots, beets, bananas, and oranges. So I'll be making this sometime next week. But if you guys don't know, beets are really good for you. It's good for your blood flow, your heart, I think even like your blood pressure. So beet juice is good for you, and this tastes really good, so I love it. I got Tony hooked on beet juice, but Tony likes the one with the oranges in it. This one right here, this is the one that Tony likes, so I buy this one for him, and it has a little bit of pulp in it. But yeah, I like the Suja, and then I like the, let me see, because I think, oh yeah, and I like this one right here. So this one has beets, carrots, apples, lemon, and ginger. So this one is a little sweeter. because of the apple and probably the banana and orange. And this one doesn't have banana or orange, but it has everything else. And I get these from Fresh Market if you guys want to give it a try. But we'll be making our own next week, honey. Because these things are not cheap. Like, they're like, I think this one right here is like $4 and then, or almost $5 for this one. And then these are like $4 or something. Like, they're not cheap. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch me do this. And let me make sure y'all bright enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my juicing. And y'all can drop some recipes down below. And this thing is very quiet. Like, that was because they said that this Ninja is new. It's a lot quieter. Oh, it had, let me just show y'all around. So it has the start and stop, the start stop button, and then the hold to reverse. Like if something gets stuck, you can reverse it. So we're gonna just push the start button. It's really quiet. And then I do have this little tool right here to push it down. Oh, and you have to make sure that this is not covering the hole where the juice comes out. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys that I picked up the Baccarat candle. It smells so good. I ordered this from Neiman's. It was about $110. It smells amazing. It burns for, I think, like 55 hours is the burning time on this. And I don't have the Baccarat perfume because I bought this one right here a while ago. As you guys can see, I use it all the time. So go ahead and screenshot this if you guys like the Baccarat smell, but you don't want to pay the Baccarat money. So I went in Nordstrom's a while ago. I had this one in my purse just because I wanted to compare the scents. And this one smells exactly the same. Like, even the girl that worked there agreed with me. Like, this one smells the exact same. Y'all go ahead and screenshot this if you like the way that Baccarat smells, but you don't want to pay Baccarat price. Get this one, because I'm telling you, it smells the exact same. So I was just like, okay, well, I'm not buying the Baccarat because what am I paying for? Just the name? Like, girl, she don't do that. And then this is another one, the Ariana Grande Cloud. This one is a pretty good dupe as well. You know, or you can buy the real thing, but you know, I like to save my coin and don't spend my money if I don't have to. And I do like that scent. So this one is another good dupe. Y'all can see I need to buy another one. I'll buy this one again. This is a small one. I actually found this one at Walmart. Y'all excuse my nails because my nails grow really fast. But this is a really good dupe. So I'll be buying this one again. But yeah, love this. And I will have the link to this candle in the description box. Y'all know Christmas time is coming up, so this will be an excellent gift. So yeah, love this. All right, y'all, so we're at Fresh Market to get some more wine. Okay, y'all, so this is the wine, and this is the one right here, Riva. So I'm gonna get this is cell phone footage. The cinematic on this 13, the iPhone 13, it shows so good. See how good this look? It's yourself, Tony. 13 footage. So I had to drop off one of my prescriptions. Just this mouthwash that I have to use. We dropped it off at Walgreens, so we're gonna go pick that up in a few. And then I had to get some more of that wine because it's so good. Y'all let me know if you guys get it. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost y'all. Oh y'all, and it's cold outside today.
It's not cold.
It is. It's a little chill in the air. It was 55 degrees this morning, and now it's like a cool breeze. The Florida and Georgia game is here today. We're not going. We're just watching it at the house. So,
Go Gators.
Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live.